So let's just have a quick look at what the commonalities are for sexual predators. Definitely there's a sense of entitlement and privilege, and that might be as much as I'm male and you're female, or I'm a dominant male and you're a not dominant male. All right, and interestingly enough, in lesbian relationships, I do work with a lot of lesbian clients, and the incidence of rape is phenomenally high there too. I think when the rape between same-sex couples, like domestic violence in same-sex couples, is often much harder to report because of the homophobic attitudes already. So people often don't report that, and yet it occurs with too much frequency, in my view anyway. Lack of empathy. A huge amount of narcissism is common to perpetrators, where their narcissistic needs precede everything else.